Mahindra Research Valley. This is where Project xuv700 was conceived. This is where excellence was born. Over 200 designs were rejected before one was picked. Play-Doh and prototypes. That's this one's specialty. These are the artists who brought interior design to automobile design. This perfectionist has tested more than 50 shades of red. Meet every crash dummy's worst nightmare. The one who has wrecked 40 SUVs and is on the way to wreck one more. These are the brains that put 30 brains in one SUV. They spent 3 years perfecting one touchscreen. Torturing engines till they cry for mercy. That's this one's specialty. So what is it that drives people like these? It's the passion to create an authentic SUV that will give you a rush like never before. Hello, XUV700.